Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Vibe. Today I'm here with a quick and easy pudding recipe with biscuits. This is a layered pudding. This is also a less ingredient recipe. These are the ingredients for preparing biscuit pudding. Take a pan and add 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk powder and 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix well. Take a pudding tray and make a layer with biscuits. Mix it in a very low flame and keep mixing it continuously so that it does not form any lumps. When the mixture starts to thicken up like a cream, immediately turn off the flame. Next, add half hot mixture into the pudding tray. And make another layer of biscuits. Next, add the remaining whole mixture into it. Once 2 layers of the cream are done, transfer it into the refrigerator to cool. Take another bowl and add half cup of whipping cream. Beat it until it becomes stiff. Once the pudding has cooled in the fridge, take it out and the prepared layer of whipping cream on top of the pudding. Finally, decorate with some cocoa powder. This is very simple and tasty recipe of biscuit pudding. So that's for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.